Okay, so now you know what is land use pattern, the different uses of land. Okay, land is used for different purposes such as forest, pasture, agriculture. So let us see this pattern in India. Okay, there are different uses of pattern in India such as forest, barren and unculturable wasteland, area under non-agricultural uses, permanent pasture and grazing land, area under miscellaneous tree crops and groves, culturable wasteland, fallow other than current fallow, the current fallow and net zone area. In the previous topic and the video, I already have discussed about these all. What is wasteland, what is barren land, what is pasture, grazing, okay, and fallow, current other than current fallow. So this all have been discussed in the previous class. Now we know that the total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, but only 93% of the total geographical area. Okay, only land use data available only for 93% of the total geographical area. Why? Because the land use reporting for most of northeastern states except Assam that has not been done fully. Okay, and there are some areas in Jammu and Kashmir which are occupied by Pakistan and China. So they have not been completely surveyed. So therefore only 93% data is available to us. See how this land use pattern in India has been changed in this last 50-60 years. So forest percentage in India in 1960-61 was 18.11. In 2014-15 it increased to 23.3%. It's a good sign that forest area in India has been increased. But according to Forest Policy, National Forest Policy 1952, the desired percentage is 33%. That means the forest area in the country, it should be 33% of the total geographical area. Now it is only 23.3%. Why 33%? Okay, it is essential for the maintenance of ecological balance. We know that the animals they live free, okay, in the forest without any disturbance. That is the natural habitat for them. And there are so many tribal groups and so many people in our country who are heavily and mainly dependent upon the forest product. Forests are everything for them. So decreasing forest can affect their life. Now this next is barren and unculturable wasteland. Now wasteland includes this rocky area, arid area and the desert area. Okay, that percentage in India has decreased. It was 18.11, now it is decreased to 5.5%. Okay, that shows that because of technological development, these areas are converted into good areas, productive areas like for agriculture or for industrial purposes. Then we have area under non-agricultural uses. Okay, it includes the settlements, the roads and the railways and industry, and we know that these all have increased after independence, of course. Okay, so therefore the percentage, it was low 4.95, now it is 8.7%. Permanent pasture and grazing land, it was 4.71, now decreased to 3.3%. So this permanent pasture, if it has been increased in India, it is having repercussion, negative impact on us. Why? Because India is having the largest livestock in the world. So if the pasture percentage decrease in India, the grazing land decrease in India, that means we cannot feed this population, okay, animals population. And moreover, this pasture area, they also hold the soil firmly. Okay, so they protect the soil as well, and in this way they maintain the ecosystem. Next is area under miscellaneous tree crops and groves. the percentage is 1.50. Now it is 1%. After that we have cultivable wasteland 6.23. It became 4.0% cultivable wasteland. Okay. And then we have fallow other than current fallow, which is left for more than 5 years. Those fallow land are called fallow other than current fallow. The percentage is hardly any change we can see in this percentage. 3.5, it became 3.6 only. Current fallow percentage, it was 3.73. Now it increased to 4.9. The land which is left for 1 year or for more than one agricultural season, that is the current fallow. Now last one is the NSA, net sowing area. Now once again the percentage is hardly changed in this last 50-60 years. 46.6 it was in 1960-61. It is now 45.5%. Okay. Now this most of the other than the current fallow lands, they are either of poor quality or the cost of cultivation of such land is very, very high. Okay. Therefore these lands, they are cultivated once or twice in 2 or 3 years. Therefore if we include this one in net sown area, then the country's NSA percentage becomes 54%. And also the pattern of net sown area, okay, this pattern, it changes in our country from one state to another state. Like in Punjab and Haryana, the NSA percentage is about 80%, but it is very less in hilly area. Okay, and why it is? Once again because of topography, because of less soil. Okay, fertile soil. In Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Andaman, Nicobar, the quality of the soil is too poor. Okay, so it is only 10% in these states, whereas it is very, very high in Punjab and Haryana. NSA percentage is 80%. So this all we discussed today. We discussed land use pattern, okay, and the factors which affect the land use pattern, the physical as well as the human factors. So do revise the topic, okay, and do write all the question answers and all the important terms and questions which we have discussed in the last few classes. Thank you.